Okay, so we're here in the backyard now of the house. You can see some of the siding is a little bit damaged there. All right, that right there appears to be the original house. Okay, could use some work there. Would need to do some parging. Could possibly cut out some windows, maybe add an extension. Even right up there, those shingles are kind of just missing. Might have had a little cover up top before. All right, other than that, it looks pretty decent back here. Nothing, I don't see any major signs of any damage. Let's look along this side. Just a little bit of parging right there. Could maybe make those windows bigger. But overall, the side is in very good shape. Look at the size of the lot, very big lot. Lots of space in the backyard. You could add an extension, do whatever. Okay. And it's in good shape over here. Okay, here we see some cracks in the foundation. Okay. You can see that there. Definitely some new windows would be needed. Okay, like right there, you could see that's where the water is going to be getting into the foundation. It looks like they did attempt to fix it. You can tell the difference in the color. Okay, even over here, they've attempted to fix it as well, but it looks like a temporary fix. We would definitely need to consult some professionals. Here the water spout is missing. I would add that on there. Keep the water away from the foundation. Some new windows. Maybe add some siding or stucco. You can see the brickwork has had to have been repaired. They filled in cement in multiple areas. Right here, look at that. This is leading to the water getting into the basement on this side. Okay. Even these windows are a little bit outdated. Okay, this one could be changed. This window's outdated also. But yeah, other than that, it seems like a great opportunity. Lots of potential to make profit on this one. Maybe $500,000-$600,000 could be made on this property with the right investor, and if we got it for the right price. And yeah, if you guys are interested in deals like this, give me a call, 647-981-2013. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Thanks for watching.